Hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm here today to introduce to you a newly opened kitchen in Deira called Kashe Street Kitchen. Kashe Street Kitchen. This is a newly opened kitchen which is very close to the Baniyas Square metro station in Deira, in a building called Transworld Hotel building, second floor. They are there, you can locate them there. It's a Ghanaian owned kitchen, has a very nice serene environment. As you can see, they cook all sorts of menu, African menu over there, from Ghana to Nigeria, Togo, Cameroon, Kenya, Uganda, and the likes. So make it a point to visit this kitchen once you want to enjoy African foods. We encourage also our white friends to visit this kitchen and enjoy some African foods as well. They do home delivery. They do home delivery service too. So if you are in the house you want to enjoy, you can also call them on 0525 967450, 0525 967450. Have good staffs to receive you and make sure you feel at home. It's a very new kitchen, nice food with great tastes. They give you value for your money. You're going to enjoy yourself when you visit the place. I said we are called Kashe Street Kitchen, and we say we are Africa. So visit us and you will never regret. Subscribe to my channel, comment, like and share. Thank you so much.